Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog for our latest vlog. Tungkol po sa Kids' Choice Awards this year plus SM Caloocan updates. But subscribe to our YouTube channel. Gusto mag-likes, shares, comments, and views. Abuti ng 500 subscribers. I-supportin natin sa ating social media account. Latest vlog, 268 episode, 268 entitled KCA Boys Plus SM Caloocan updates. Here's our vlog. Okay, simulan natin. Panalan natin sino kaya ang pasok sa KCA Awards. Okay, dahil palalapit ng Nickelodeon's Kids' Choice Awards 2024 next month, July 30. Ito na, here's NSYNC pasok sa favorite music group along with Black Eyed Peas kasi may PMM, Apathy App, and the Jonas Brothers at iba pa mga music group artists na nominado para sa Nickelodeon's Kids' Choice Awards. Along with NSYNC, Trolls band together for favorite movies. Justin Timberlake, favorite male artist music category. Congrats! For Barbie! Yes, Barbie in favorite movie category. Congrats! Most nomination sa Nickelodeon's Kids' Choice Awards. Sa mga Pinoys, sino kaya pasok sa Nickelodeon's Kids' Choice Awards? SB19 pasok para sa favorite Asian act. Boto-boto na. Along kalaban dito na si Tiara Adini and K-pop group and Hypen. Di ko sure. And Hypen. Plus, Bella Porch, Olivia Rodrigo, at syempre si Apathy App from Black Eyed Peas para sa favorite music group. Good luck sa iyo. Sino kaya yung host na Nickelodeon's Kids' Choice Awards? From SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob and Patrick. Voices by Tom Kenny and Bill. Pero di maintindihan yung last name. Nako, yan po ating sino kayang mapasok sa Nickelodeon's Kids' Choice Award. Ano bet po mananalo? Manaman natin this coming July 30 sa California. Good luck! Now for the updates all about SM Caloocan. Okay. Nako. First and second try, fail. Nako. Tingnan sa third and fourth try. Ito. For third try, dapat sana pumunta sa SM Caloocan para ma-meet sila Kim Molina at Gerard Napoles para sa mall show ng Soulmates. Gusto po sana kasi may umulan, may malakas na ulan. Kaya sayang. Kasama si mommy sana. But, it's okay kahit bawi-bawi lang. Never pa try, and reward you to succeed. And congratulations sa mga cast na Soulmates now showing na sa cinema. For the fourth try, Viola Pascual na punta sa SM Caloocan. Gusto po sana ma-meet kay Hala si Mami. Meeting na naman! Meeting, pabor! But congratulations, Viola Pascual, for the success for the new show of ABS-CBN Studios, Pamilya Sagrados, na yung June 17 na. And congratulations sa ating Kabayan Tuesday Small Show, handog ng BDO Remittance Kabayan. Congrats! Thank you SM Caloocan for making, and the government in Caloocan, we love you. Hope to see you next time for another edition dito sa ating SM Caloocan updates. And now, pag tayo matapos, panood natin ang New Music Friday! Sabrina Carpenter, Juan Carlos, Josh Colin, Regine Velasquez, and VG Wayo sa ating bagong New Music Friday Philippines episode on Spotify Plus, iTunes Music, and YouTube Music. Makikita kung sino yung artist at bagong songs na yung last June 7 episode Friday. Kaya, stream na and hopefully. Yan po our latest vlog. Happy Independence Day to everyone! Malaya tayo! I'm free! See you! Bye! God bless! Mwah.